Hello and welcome to the most important video of not only this series but of your life, of your investing journey. And this video is all about power of compounding. Yes, one of my mentors has said me that Amit, compounding is one thing. If you understand, you will become rich. If you can't understand, you can never become rich. So there is the power of compounding. Even Dr. Albert Einstein, the greatest mathematician and scientist that human civilization has ever got, he also says that compounding is the eighth wonder in the world. And we're going to discuss that in this particular video. So if you're ready, if you're super excited about this amazing video, because I need your maximum energy in this video, just type in ready in the chat box and we're going to straight away jump into the power of compounding. Let me jump into it. So the most important video, as per Albert Einstein, compounding is the eighth wonder in the world. I don't know about seven, but I know about eight, right? I know one wonder, that is Taj Mahal, that is in India. But hopefully you may be aware about and you may be having better GK than me. But yes, as per Albert Einstein, compounding is the eighth wonder in the world. In fact, he has also said that compounding is one such thing. Those who understand earn it, those who don't understand pay it. That's the power of compounding. In fact, compounding is the only secret, is the only key to your wealth. Whether you will generate wealth, whether you will just make a living, whether you will create generational wealth, all depends upon how much do you understand the power of compounding. Make sense? Let's move forward. So if you don't understand power of compounding, it will be very, very difficult for you to generate wealth. Let me be honest over here. And that's a number request that I would like to put forward over here. If you're watching this video alone, please bring your family together. Right? Please bring even your teenagers, even younger kids over here, because this video is something that every person of every age must watch, right? So bring them along and post the video, bring them along, tell them that your studies are okay, your college education is okay, but this is something that will build their future. So bring them along. Thank you. Let's move forward. Now let's talk about gold prices. I'm talking about 10 grams 24 carat. Now let's take an example and you will understand that rather than me platonically training, telling prices, it will not be interesting. So let's make the video a bit more interesting as well. So if you would have purchased gold of rupees 1 lakh in 2015, if you purchased gold worth rupees 1 lakh in 2015, when prices were somewhere around 28,000 per 10 gram, what would have been its value today? And I want you guys to make some guess. Any guesses? Put your guesses in the chat box. I'm waiting for that. Come on, do that. Pause the video. Put your guess in the chat box, in the comment box. And guys, you will not be that astonished. I know the amount is small, but I'll explain you the funda. It would have been around 3.48 lakhs, approximately 3.5 lakhs. My dear, please understand that in a span of less than 9.5, in a span of approximately 9.5 years, less than 10 years, your money is 3.5 times. That's huge. That's massive. You believe it or not, but that's massive. Now, if you're not, finding this topic interesting, let's assume that you purchased a gold of 10 lakhs. It would have become 34 lakhs now. If you would have purchased gold of 1 crore, it would have become 3.48 crore. Now you seems to get interest, right? So that's the power of compounding. And let me take you to the next slide, and it is going to blow your mind. In the previous video, I talked about habits. Now, this is a one-time investment that you had 1 lakh rupees in 2015, you purchased some gold and you are looking at the value. But in my previous video, I talked about habits. If you develop investing habits, what kind of craziness it will generate, let me show you. Let me show you the power of compounding. So supposing Mr. A is doing an SIP of rupees 10,000 per month. And again, when I say SIP, I don't only restrict myself to mutual fund SIP. Hello? That SIP can be a gold SIP. You can buy gold ETFs. You can even buy good stocks. And I'm assuming that in investment are yielding 12% CAGR, compounded annual growth rate. So if you are investing 10,000 rupees per month at 12% CAGR, 12% rate of return, then what will be the value of this investment after 15 years? Now, before you give me the value, let's make certain calculations so that you feel wow factor and you also remain active throughout the video. So I want you guys to tell me, if you're investing 10,000 per month, how much you will be investing in a year? Listen to my question carefully. If you're investing 10,000 a month, what amount you will be investing in a year? Put that in the chat box. Right? It will be around 1,20,000, not around, it is exactly going to be 1,20,000, 10,000 into 12. So what amount you would have put from your side in a tenure of 15 years? Around 18 lakhs, right? Around 18 lakhs, because 10,000 per month into 12, that gives you 1,20,000, into 15, that gives you 18 lakhs. Now, if you've invested 18 lakhs at a small rate of 10,000 per month, at the end of 15 years, that amount will be 43 lakh 58,000. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy. Your 18 lakhs has turned 43 lakhs 58,000 just at a CAGR of 12%. Whereas if you're investing in good equity mutual funds in India, it generates 17 to 18% a year. So you can imagine what kind of wealth you can generate. And if you understand investing in the right way, you can even take your CAGR higher. If you understand the equity investing, you can even take your CAGR higher. But that's okay. Now, what next point I'm going to bring that will blow your mind. Now, what will be the value of this investment after 30 years? Like, if for 30 years you keep on doing SIP of 10,000 a month for 30 years, so what amount you would have invested in a tenure of 30 years? So 10,000 per month into 12, because 12 months, that's 1,20,000 a month. A year, 1,20,000 a year multiplied by 30. So approximately 36 lakhs you would have invested, right? In a span of 30 years. Now, this is something I want you guys to please participate in this activity. What would be the value of this investment after 30 years? If you put on 10,000 month on month for last 30 years, you've invested 36 lakhs from your side. What will be the value of this investment after 30 years? And I want everybody of you to put your amount in the chat box. Then only you will understand the magic of compounding. My dear, it would be 3 crore 52 lakhs. You heard it right. It would be around 3 crore 52 lakhs. And that's why I said in my previous video that you got to start investing at early age. If you agree with me, just type in agree. And if you are repenting by watching my video that Amit, I'm 40 years, I'm 35 years, I'm this, don't regret. Start from today. Only thing that you need to do is you have to start with a higher amount, but you can still cope up with this. So people who start investing at a younger age, they can generate wealth even by investing a smaller amount. But if you miss the train, because the days which are gone, right? If you are 35, 40, and still if you want this 30 years of compounding, you can do it. Of course, God bless you with such a long age, but you cannot start with 10,000 now. You have to start with a bigger amount. Consult your financial advisor and they'll guide you about that. So that's the power of compounding. Start at an early age and avoid early withdrawals. This is what I would like to recommend to everybody. Avoid early withdrawals. Like, youngsters see this. If they've invested 1 lakh rupee, if 1 lakh becomes 5 lakh, they thought, oh my God, my money has got 5 times. It's enough. Let me withdraw. Please don't do that. Let your money work for you. Let the compounding work for you. Avoid early withdrawals. Have a long term goal. Have a long term goal. When you start investing, have a goal of 15 to 30 years, and I would say 30 years is the best, right? Third thing that I would like to tell is don't panic with the short term fluctuations. Now, when you'll be investing, be your investing can be in real estate, be your investing, of course, real estate you cannot do SIPs. There are certain instruments now, there are alternative investment funds which allow you to invest in real estates as well. But if we talk broadly from a perspective of equity or a mutual fund or a gold ETF, don't panic with the short term fluctuations. Like, I've seen, I met many people during the COVID when the market was crashing. There were two lower circuits in Indian market due to COVID, and at least 10 people called me that, Amit, shall I withdraw all my money? I fear it will go to zero. It will never go to zero, my dear. In fact, let me tell you one thing, when the markets are going down, that is the best time to buy. You think, when will you make money? Let's keep it simple. When will you make money? When you buy it low and sell it high, that's when you make money. Yes, but a layman exactly does opposite. When the market is going up, when everybody is skyrocketing, they start buying. That okay, market is going up, let me buy. And when the market is crashing, when they should actually buy, they start selling. Please, guys, understand. That's why big people make money. They buy when the markets are crashing. They see that okay, this is my opportunity to buy at the right price. I buy at a low price, sell at a high price, and that's how I make money, right? And don't look at your portfolios every single day. No, with the spread of technology, now you can watch your mutual fund portfolio every single day in your app. There are apps, you can track your mutual fund portfolios. You can see how much, what was your gain yesterday, what was your gain today, all these things. Don't do that. If your goal is long term, please don't do that. Just forget your money. Let the power of compounding work for you, and you will see magic. My dear, you will literally see magic if you avoid these poor mistakes. So I hope you loved the video. This video was of super value for you. I want you guys to do two things. Number one, if you got the value, type in value in the comment box below and type in your biggest mistake that you have done so far that you're realizing after watching the power of compounding video of mine. Or if you've not done any mistake, you're young, type in what is your biggest learning and what do you commit me. Do you commit and promise me that you're going to start investing at an early age? Do you commit me that you will invest regularly? What is your biggest learning? Do put in the comment box. I'm looking forward to your answers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.